sweaty cup. And we have an unboxing. Unboxing. Shout out Pong and yeah. Let's open. Unbox on camera, please. Uncap and please record. Sealed. Opened. There we go. Right, there we go. Okay, what do we have? Let's go. Straight away I can see something very nice colour. Purple. Is that purple rose? Yes, purple rose. So we have 10 grams of purple rose. Very nice. We have 10 grams of gelato. Very nice. 10 grams of Farmer Runts. Very nice. 10 grams of Black Martian. Cup. 10 grams of, I know this is RS11 Snow Diamond. And then, let's see from our order, it will be Blackberry Cheesecake. See anything like a Blackberry Cheesecake on there, it's like a W. Let's see. Farmer Runts, Black Martian, Purple Rose, Gelato, Blackberry Cheesecake. This should be Blackberry Cheesecake. It must be, it's the only other one in the box. I don't see anything beginning of a W. So, yes, it's a Blackberry Cheesecake. Okay, so yes, shout out Bungham, Cop and Cop. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so that's 60 Gs, Hoxib, so Hoxib, 60 Gs. And the total, this came in a bit more expensive than last time. We went for slightly more expensive strains indoors. These were all, I believe, indoors. Let's have a look. Indoor. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one? 5. Oh, I reckon that might be something different. Possibly, it might not be. I might have to message him just to see which one that. If it is Blackberry Cheesecake, it does look like it. Let's have a look. It just hasn't got it written on there. We'll have to see. I may message him. But yes, the price. Let me see on the yes, the total. This was Nung Song Sam Si Pun Nung Roy Samsib. So 4,130 baht. 4,130 baht for 60 grams. So 4,130 bahts including delivery it's about 43.5 bahts per pound now, so it's about £95. So £95 for 60 grams. So that's coming in at say about £1.60 a gram. Now in the UK you'd be paying, well, for starters you won't get snow, you will not get RS11 Snow Diamond, Black Martian. I mean something like this, Gelato, Purple Rose, I would say you'd be paying, it could be £10 a G, so 60 Gs, £600. You can see the difference. Yes, so I will come to you with reviews of these in the not too distant future. So, if you've been watching and you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up. Please make sure you have subscribed, and also please share as it helps us to grow. Okay, I will see you all on the next video. Cotton Cap. Yes, here is my CAN card, as I am a UK registered medicinal cannabis patient and I use cannabis for my health. Cotton Cap.